Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, and predictions. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet, okay? And sa ating Evil Eye Ring and sa ating Evil Eye Necklace, just message me po ha sa aking FB page para sa iba pong information about this bad guys. Okay? So, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's start. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong marinig? The Nine of Wands. The Page of Pentacles. Someone is avoiding na makipag-communicate sa'yo. Fire sign, earth sign, nandito. Okay? Hindi mo rin kailangan ipakita, no? Ang sinasabi rito, kailangan mong mag-guard up. Okay, you need to guard up. Yun na lang in general. Okay. Some of you sensitive pagdating sa mga natatanggap na komento or opinion. Okay, so maybe you need to guard up or parang iwasan na lang din muna, no? Na parang maging emotional. Kahit sabihin nating mahirap, yes, okay? Some of you, kailangan. Okay? Meron ditong parang pagod na kakaturo. Kakasabi kung anong dapat gawin. Okay. Next. The Five of Wands. The Tower. Okay. So there is drama. A drama. Some of you, this is unexpected. Okay? Regarding, andito yung may mga sasabog na emosyon. Okay? Air signs, may mga sasabog na emosyon. So, hanggat maaari, kung kayang magtimpi, magtimpi. Okay? So, pwedeng magkaroon ng arguments dito. The Tower is here. This is like unexpected. Okay, there is drama. Parang may nagbi-build up. Okay, pwede kasing hindi mangyayari yan kung iiwasan or kung lalayuan agad para hindi na mag-build up. Okay, kasi parang may sasabog. Emosyon. Okay. What else? The Two of Cups. And the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. I think si universe, parang sinasala niya, no? Oo, parang pinipili niya kung ano yung mga parating pagdating sa'yo. Oo, parang there's a lot of offer. Okay, na parating, pero hindi lahat is magiging maganda. So, I think universe is here para siya yung pumili. Parang ganyan. Okay. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Hindi okay lahat actually. So, I think, if ever na may darating sa'yo na something like an offer, pero sa tingin mo hindi naman ito magtatagal or sa tingin mo parang hindi mo feel. Okay? So, I think universe is trying to connect with you. Okay? So, kunin mo yung energy. Okay? Kunin mo yung kung anong meron sa'yo, sa intuition mo, mga ganyan. Okay? Kasi hindi lahat ng offer is, maganda. Okay? So, some of it is just like, a waste of time, pwedeng a waste of money. Yan, mga ganyan, ha? Yeah, the Empress is here. So, yeah, you're parang diyan ka na sa parang magkakaroon ng progress pagdating sa buhay. Oo. So, siguro dating ka sa punto na malalaman mo or matututo ka. Okay, na pumili. Na pumili. Okay? Ng kung ano talaga ang para sa iyo. Okay? So, yeah, I think struggles. Mhm. Ito yung parang magbibigay sa iyo like eye-opener. Oo, parang ganyan. Magiging eye-opener para sa mga next na mangyayari pa. Okay? So, there. Next is, okay, fire signs. So, anong message ang kailangan mong marinig? Fire signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong message ang need mong malaman, need mong marinig? Yan, tingnan natin. Okay. The Five of Wands. Bakit? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. May mga taong gusto talaga na nahihirapan ka. Gusto nila lagi kang mag-strive. May mga tao rito na talagang hindi ka tutulungan. Yeah, gusto nila. Yan, ito yung gusto nila. The Three of Swords. Why? Because sabihin natin, nandoon din sila eh. Nandoon din sila sa sitwasyong hindi maganda. Okay? Or talagang sabihin nating masama lang yung ugali. Okay? Ayaw nila na magkakaroon ka ng kaginhawahan kahit papano. Okay? Gustong gusto pa ng mga yan na talagang mahihirapan ka. Yeah, some of them, pwedeng kapamilya mo pa, relatives mo, someone or na pwedeng malapit. Okay? Nasa isang circle. Yes. Some of you, there's a problem na pwedeng lumutang, no, pagdating sa workplace. Yeah. May problem pagdating sa workplace. Pwede kasing, yung iba rito nakakuha ko ng kakaunti yung tao. Parang kulang sa effort or kulang sa manpower. Okay, anong nangyayari? Parang may mga nagre-resign. So, parang pagdating sa workplace, kakaunti ang tao. So, nagkakagulo tuloy. Okay. So, what else for you, fire signs? The Three of Cups. The Nine of Wands. Meron ditong relasyong tago. May nakatagong relasyon. Bakit tago? Kasi may third party na involved. Meron ditong nagdi-deny. Pero kita naman sa kilos. Okay? Pwedeng water sign. Pwedeng itinatanggi nila yon or itinatanggi mo. Pwedeng ikaw to because the Nine of Wands is fire sign. Okay? So, I think guard yourself from specific third-party relationship. Okay? Guard mo para hindi ka mapasok. Okay? Ng third party or kung anong mang party-party yan, ha? Okay? So, some of you, may mga friend ka dito na parang lalapit sa'yo, parang sasama ka, ganyan, pagdating sa mga okasyon, I don't know. This is like an invitation, pero I don't know kung andito yung doubt mo, trust mo, nandyan, bakit kaya ako iniimbita ng mga ito, mga ganyan, para saan? Okay? So, I don't know why. Yung iba sa inyo, huwag kayong tumanggi ha, pagdating sa mga happiness. Happiness pag-i-enjoy. Ha, huwag kayo masyadong nandyan lang lagi sa kung anong meron. Like, lagi nasa bahay. Minsan naman, lumabas-labas kayo together with your friends. Okay? Huwag mong buruhin yung sarili sa inyong bahay. Baka maasim na. Di ba maasim yon yung buro? Tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Okay. Binurong mangga, 'di ba? I can't. So baka mga sim kayo, 'di ba? Okay, so what else? Fire signs. Okay. The Justice in Reverse. Yeah, meron ditong nangangamoy third party talaga. Oo. Some of your friends, hindi sila nagiging totoo sa iyo. Ha? Merong mga friend kang parang pinagkakatiwalaan pero nandyan sinisira yung tiwala mo, hindi mo alam. Okay, yeah, the moon in reverse. Someone is saying or telling secrets to others. Pwedeng sikreto mo, sinasabi kung kani-kanino. This is specific. Okay, mamaya lumabas, sumabog kung ano yung sikreto mong yan. So maybe you have to choose. Okay, your friends. Oo, doon tayo sa quality, hindi sa quantity. Ha, oo, wala akong pakialam sa mas maraming kaibigan. Oo, doon tayo sa tama, doon tayo sa totoo. Doon tayo sa genuine, okay? Oo, kaibigan mo nga, sandamakmak, pero hindi mo alam yung iba. Okay, so, yeah, yun nakikita ko. May mga magdi-deny pagdating sa mga third party, may mga mahuhuli, may mga makikita. Yeah, okay, there's drama. Drama in general. Okay, so I don't know. Sana wala, no? Okay, someone will got caught. May mahuhuli. Okay, may mahuhuli. Yun lang nakikita ko. In general, may mahuhuli sa mga ginagawang hindi tama. Okay? So next is water signs. So water signs, anong meron? Okay. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Hang on. Okay, so, yeah. Medyo gutom na ako. Oo, uminom lang ako ng konting kape. Oo, kape pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron for you? Anong kailangan mong marinig? The Two of Cups. Some of you, there's an offer coming. Okay? Partnership. Anything. Like, offer. Okay, what's with this? The King of Swords in reverse. Okay. So, I think, meron ditong gustong makipag-connect. Pero, ang nakikita ko rito, they're like a liar. May mga nakatago, may mga nakasikreto itong taong ito. Okay? So, yeah. The moon in reverse. Pwedeng hindi mo pa lahat nakikita. Okay? Kung anong meron sa kanya. Hindi mo pa lahat nalalaman. I mean. Okay? Meron ditong pwedeng, yun nga, gustong makipag-connect pero hindi lahat or hindi niya ikukwento sa'yo eh. Lahat. Kung anong meron sa kanya. Okay? Hindi siya magiging open. So, be careful. Okay? Don't trust agad-agad. Don't give trust agad-agad. The Five of Cups. The Two of Pentacles. Someone iba sa inyo dinrap, no? The Two of Pentacles. Now you're sad. Depressed. Upset. Okay? Meron kang gustong relasyon. Meron kang gustong connection. Pero I think, na-drop to. The Two of Pentacles. The King of Swords is in the reverse. So maybe, merong hindi tama. Okay? May nakukonsensya. The King of Swords in reverse na gumagawa ng hindi tama. So maybe, dinrap ka. And then, ang naging resulta sa'yo is sadness. Disappointments. Okay? Yeah. The Chariot in reverse. So maybe, hindi ka pa rin totally nakaka-move on sa nangyaring yan. You'll be fine soon. Okay, you'll be fine. Don't worry. Okay, next is The Three of Cups, sabi sa'yo eh, 'di ba? You'll be fine. Don't worry. Okay? So, kung sino man yan, I'm seeing you guys. Reconciliation is like, andyan lang para sa inyong dalawa. Hindi ko sinasabi na maging okay ka dahil andyan ang reconciliation para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah. Pero, okay. The Three of Cups and the Judgment in reverse. Yeah. Kasi ang nakikita ko rito, yes, magkakaroon ng reconciliation with this person, kung sino man tong iniisip mo. Pero, yeah, the universe is saying na to stop it na. Stop the cycle. The Judgment in reverse. Okay? You have to stop it. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. The Nine of Wands. You need to guard yourself from this kind of energy, I guess. Okay? Kasi universe is trying to help you anyway. Pero I don't know if you're talagang open para sa help na ibinibigay ni universe sa'yo. Okay? So I guess if you're like just going with the flow, kung ano man ang ibinibigay sa'yo ni universe, then actually, victory or success is coming for you. Okay? So just go with the flow. Okay? Don't forget to heal. Don't forget to heal. And yeah. Nakikita ko, success and victory is on the way para sa'yo. Okay? So there. Kahit sabihin mong hindi ako sigurado sa kung anong mangyayari sa akin. Pero okay lang. Mas pipiliin ko pa rin kahit masakit. Okay, pipiliin ko na mag-move on. Pipiliin ko na mag-let go. Pipiliin ko na may magbago sa buhay ko. Okay? Kasi kung ano yung nararapat yun ang mangyayari. Yes. Okay? So there. Next! Okay, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Hi. Okay, so, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so, anong message ang kailangan mong marinig? Kailangan mong malaman, Earth signs? Anong kailangan yung marinig at malaman? Okay. Strength in reverse. Some of you, medyo pwedeng may sakit. Okay? Oo. Emotionally, like, drained. Okay? Someone is drained. Tingnan natin. The Six of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, parang may gastos na gagawin. Bibigyan tulong. Okay? Someone na pwedeng, like, merong sickness or illness, mga ganyan, or may gagawin lang something like, yeah, someone needs your, support financially. Okay? Earth signs, yeah, you can provide naman kasi, some of you, no? So, if you can provide, then mas maganda. Kaysa naman kahit tayo yung hihingi, no? Mas maganda na yung nagbibigay. Okay? So, yeah. Someone needs your attention. Needs your attention. Needs your company. Parang ganyan. Company. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, what else? Meron ditong gusto ng communication from you. Oo. Message. Back and forth messages. Parang ganyan. The Five of Swords. And the Seven of Cups. So there's a lot of confusion here. Okay, so nakakita ko dito ng conflicts. Okay, conflicts. Clear your mind. Ang naririnig ko, clear your mind. Hindi ko alam bakit. para makapagbigay focus, I guess. Okay? So, if you're gonna, parang gonna make any kind of actions, decisions. So, I guess, kailangan nasa neutral state. Neutral state? Oo, yung inyong isipan. Oo. Okay? So, alisin ang mga, kung ano mang conflict or mga sagabal or mga gumugulo sa isipan mo bago ka gumawa ng action, bago ka gumawa ng decision or what. Okay? Yeah. I'm seeing you being busy. Being busy. What else? Earth signs. Page of Swords. Someone is stalking. Someone is stalking you. Leo, air sign, earth, water. Okay, they're stalking. Maybe hindi sila maka-focus sa kanilang mga ginagawa. You're always on their mind. Okay? Living in their head, rent-free. Ganyan. Okay? The Page of Swords. Yeah, pwedeng may distansya kayo ng taong ito. Oo, pwedeng inalisan mo, nilayasan mo, nilayuan mo. So maybe, yeah, they're just stalking you. They're just watching you. Okay? Oo. Wala po akong FB. Wala po akong YouTube. Hindi po nila ako mapapanood. Okay. So, oo. So, yeah, in general, they're just stalking you. Ha? Okay? Hindi lang ito yung way para ma-stalk ka niya. Ha? Oo, madaming paraan. Okay? So, yeah, like this. Kung wala man siyang FB, hindi mo makotap-tapan kung nasaan. 'Di ba? Itong pinapanood mo. Oh, 'di ba? Ito another way of stalking. Stalking their energy kung anong meron. Like that. Okay. Yeah. In general nga talaga. Kasi they're like watching you. Okay? May mga tao talaga na nasa malayo. Parang ganyan. And pinapanood ka lang. I don't know why. Yeah, they're silent. They're silent. Some of you, kung sino man itong naka-break mo. Yeah. You're being sneaky. Okay? Being sneaky. Sila yung parang nagtatago-tago lang. Alam mo yun? Oo. Like, hindi gusto ng mga ito na malalaman mo na ini-stalk ka nila. Na hinahanap ka nila. Gumagawa ito ng mga bagay-bagay. Like, yeah. They're like, watching you like a hawk. Okay? I don't know why. Naririnig ko yung kanta ng never mind. Never mind. Okay, so I think this person is trying na talagang tingnan ka na lang na parang palayo ka na lang ng palayo sa kanya. Drifting. Okay? Drifting. Yeah. The Emperor. Well, some of them may ego, may pride. Kaya hanggang panonood na lang. And syempre, ayaw nila na makikita mo na parang kinakailangan ka rin naman nila. Sa totoo lang. They are talagang nag-iisip sa'yo. Ganyan. Yes. Ang daming conflict sa buhay nila. Hindi malaman ang gagawin. Ganyan. And yeah. Yeah. Anyway. So, yun lang ang nakikita ko pagdating sa inyo. Earth signs. Okay, so there. Ito ang ating reading for all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.